finally pinike ni korai siloi litum exercise ke claim lo and the result ke emethang kachi feel long sidolo pini kopi pase exercise claim po nang ji po reason bang ke exercise is fun exercise ke claim ke ininga rong pi la si nang li jong si nang ning oi si la pen mood off la pen nang li song si bore si nang na plote exercise claim la ni li nang ke wan pia timer teng penang li claim fit melo and you will be happy as well. At the same time, you will gain more muscle and more energy. So pini exercise ke 2 round doji. It's for beginner abs. La apawang sikachupawang dia tum suppose for example ne. La ilitum ke cheng at tum phanda la bangge. 2 round doji. After every exercise 10-second rest long ji, which give us more enough time to take rest. La si alam bang che than unang lo pini kapag jutsi exercise ta klem pona la pen bang ke nili 7 day ni troxy ang bong exercise sa plans nang one people ni troxy pilote elitum results ta che tek long po. All right, let's get to work.
Ready to go. The next 20 seconds. Jumping jacks. 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds. Jumping jacks. If you feel it's too easy, jump as high as you can. Three, two, one. The next 16 abdominal crunches. 3, 2, 1. 16 abdominal crunches. To fully engage your abs, please don't use explosive strength. The next 20 Russian twist, 10 each side. 3, 2, 1. 20 Russian twist, 10 each side. Don't move your legs when twisting. The next 16 mountain climber, 8 each side. 3, 2, 1. 16 mountain climber, 8 each side. Take steady and deep breaths.
Preview.
The next 20 heel touch, 10 each side.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. 20 heel touch, 10 each side.
Preview.
Keep your lower back on the floor.
Preview. Preview.
The next 16 leg raises. 3, 2, 1. 16 leg raises. This exercise targets your lower abdominals.
Preview. Preview. Preview.
20 seconds. Plank. 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds. Plank. This exercise works your core.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. The next 12 abdominal crunches. 3, 2, 1. 12 abdominal crunches. Exhale when raising and inhale when lowering.
Preview.
32, Russian twist, 16, each side. 3, 2, 1. 32, Russian twist, 16, each side. Tighten your abs.
Preview. Preview.
The next 12, mountain climber, 6, each side. 3, 2, 1. 12, mountain climber, 6, each side. This can strengthen your cardiovascular system. The next 20, heel touch, 10, each side. 3, 2, 1. 20, heel touch, 10, each side. It's a great exercise for all of your abdominal muscles. The next 14, leg raises. 3, 2, 1. 14, leg raises. Exhale when lifting your legs and inhale when lowering them.
Preview. Preview. Preview.
The next 30 seconds, plank.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. 30 seconds, plank.
Preview.
Don't sink or raise your hips. Half the time.
Preview. Preview.
3, 2, 1. The next 30 seconds, cobra stretch.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. 30 seconds, cobra stretch.
Preview.
Breathe slowly while holding yourself up. left. 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. Spine lumbar twist stretch left.
Preview.
Breathe regularly.
Preview.
Half the time.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. The neck. 30 seconds. Well done. Congratulations.
Okay, nang lipon churo por pick lo. Ilitum exercise ke claim partner rason ke claim rap long pot. Nang lila nili ke claim akam. Pen ali nang long dun la pen exercise partner rason chelong pote nang subscribe dun tha. La pen kopini nang kapare dun ji plote nang comment dun tha. La pen la so video mesen plote nang like dun tha. Alright, see you tomorrow in another challenge.